The second topic I have chosen for today is being busy. Are you often busy? I'm very active during the weekdays and prefer to relax on weekends. My job keeps me occupied from Monday through Friday, and there have been occasions when I haven't had a moment to breathe. When are you busy? I believe in the saying, idle brain is a devil's workshop. I enjoy staying busy to prevent my mind from wandering. When I feel the need to pause, I remind myself of the deadlines I have to meet for the day at work, which keeps me alert. When are you busy? As an English trainer, I am busy most on the As an English trainer, I conduct standard classes that must address various competitive exams. Just as no two fingers are identical, my students have unique needs requiring me to plan for each session. Most of my nights are taken up by teaching, leaving me occupied during the evenings and late hours due to the demands of my profession. Are you busier now than you were a child? Certainly, it's clear that I have more responsibilities now than I did in my childhood. During my early years, my upbringing was organized and well structured. I had designated times for play. Therefore, I can state that these days I lead a hectic life as my job requires a lot of my focus, making me quite busy on most weekdays.